ChatGPT. I need a tutorial on how to create a website. Can you please take this over? So, you show me how to create a high-quality landing page with the help of an artificial intelligence like you. Can a tool like ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, really create a web page? Of course. I will show you step by step how to personalize and optimize your ideas to get the best possible results. Step 1: Target audience considerations. Before you start creating your landing page, you should be clear about your target audience. Think about who your target audience is and what to expect. Where do these visitors come from and what do you want to achieve? This information will help you choose the right language and design for your line. Step 2: Landing page design. Next, of course, is the design of your homepage. Choose an appealing layout and opt for colors and fonts that support your brand. Make sure the design is user-friendly and intuitive. Avoid having too many distractions on the page, as this can draw visitors' attention away from your offer. Step 3: Content. Now it's about the most important part of your homepage, the content. Make sure your headlines are clear and concise and that your offer is clearly presented. Use images and videos to support your message and make it easy for your visitors to buy or sign up for the offer. Step 4: Optimize. Finally, optimize your landing page to get the best possible results. Check that your landing page is quick and easy to navigate. Use A/B testing to compare different versions of your homepage and find out which one performs the best. Monitor your landing page analytics to see how your audience is interacting with your landing page, and adjust them as necessary to drive better conversion. Step 5: Monitor, adjust. It's important to regularly monitor and adjust your landing page to make sure you're always meeting the needs of your target audience. Check to see if your content is current and if there are any changes in your target audience that you need to consider. That was almost it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are now ready to create your own high-quality landing page. Don't forget to regularly check and adjust your landing page to get the best results possible. Thanks for watching. My conclusion about ChatGPT: definitely a cool little helper. But having him create a website on his own, I wouldn't consider very realistic just yet. But who knows what will be going on in a few months. The AI tools are developing or being developed insanely with lots of money right now. So keep checking in at the canal. That's where you stay informed.